Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to configure and deploy a smart contract to Ethereum Sequoia using Hardhat and GetBlock RPC. Here we are going to be using the new Hardhat method of saving our environment variables instead of the traditional way of creating .env file and then use a .env package to load our .env variables in our project. So let's get right into it. So before we get right into our project, I want you to head over to our GitHub page and clone this particular repository. This repository contains all our guide code which you can use and manipulate for your personal use, your projects, your dApp based on your needs. So once you've already cloned the repository, I want you to navigate through this particular folder, Smart Contract Hardhat. Then here you're going to do CS Smart, you enter. So here I want you to head over to our page of dApp. Here it has already contained all the command line you need instead of typing all these long commands. Here is used to set any of the variables that you have on your hardhat.config, which I'm going to show you. Here is used to get those variables you've already saved. Here is used to deploy, compile, and test. So now let's get right into it. Here you will notice that I have access token, I have variable.as, access token. This variable.as means that it must ensure that these particular variables exist, and here is used to get the variables that is already set to this particular variable itself, meaning it's just used to get the value. Is value, not variables, used to get the value saved to this particular variables. So to do that, I'm going to get my RPC URL, which also contains my access token from the account dashboard. Let's get right. Let's go to get access token. Let's get right into it. I want you to go to account.getblock.io and register, sign up using your Gmail account, your MetaMask wallet, anyone that you are comfortable with. And once you're done, you have access to 2 endpoints on our shared node plan, a free plan anyways. And then once you've already created an account, click on get endpoint. And here we are working with the Ethereum Sequoia network. Then you click on Sequoia and then you get your access token. Once you get your access token, now let's head over to our terminal. Once you've already get your access token from the dashboard, you come here and then you save it. We want to save that access token we got from our dashboard to this particular variable. And to do that, we're going to do npm run set access token, click on enter, and then we enter our value. We've already entered our value, and then you save. One thing I actually like about this method is that instead of us creating the .env file and then use the .env package to load all our variables from our environment, we bypass that, and also it's safe in terms of security. Some of us at times we forget to add this dot git ignore file to our repository, and then that way we just push everything to GitHub, and before we know it, we've already saved our access token, our secret keys, our private key. We've already saved that, and you know that GitHub always keep history of that. So once you've already saved that, you are going to do the same for the private key. But here I've already saved my private key. Here I've already saved that. So let's go ahead to deploy. And to deploy, I've already write the command. All you just have to do is write npm run deploy, and then you click enter. And you click right yes. Voila, we've been able to save deploy rather deploy our smart contract to Ethereum Sequoia network without creating .env file. I hope you learned something today. And don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more tutorials like this. Bye.